Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the most effective and successful way to remove piece of cotton that's stuck inside ear. I have shared this idea in social media to the public long ago, and everyone feed me back with their success at the first attempt. All those who tried, everyone successfully were able to safely remove the stuck cotton from ear. And I would like to give you the precaution about this video. The video information or the idea is limited only for cotton piece that's stuck inside anyone's ear, either for the child or the adult. And my advice, not to attempt removal of any other foreign object from the ear like insect, stone or other particle. For any other object, you must consult with the professional doctor. You must take some precaution about it, because people may get panic while you are inserting the metallic item. So be careful not to push it in deeper, and don't poke at the ear or don't try to remove the object by force. The ear canal is very sensitive, and the next part of this video is the effective and successful way to remove the cotton from anyone's ear, either within the few minutes of try. And I'm glad to say that I was solved this without visiting to the doctor or any specialist. It can be done in home without any cost. So make sure you watch this video. This is a basic idea that you can solve without any problem, without causing any problem to the injured person. And don't let the person get panic, and make the person relax and use the method that I'm going to tell you now. This is the example of any person here. So for example, I already put the cottons through the hole. This is like our ear hole. So what you're gonna do, take a toothpick. This is the one. This is the toothpick, and it has a narrow point here. So what you just do, from this narrow point, slice it, for example less than 5 mm. Just make it this narrow point, just slice like this. I already sliced it a little bit. You don't need to make it wider. See, here and there. So, and this is the perfect in dimension to get. I'm gonna show you. This is like an ear. This is person ear. Okay, so let the person relax and don't let him or her move, and just hold his head and let one person get the torch light, and that you can see through the hole, and slowly, gently put it through the hole until it's touched the cotton's surface. And you know the cotton has the many fabric which will be very thinner, so the thinner part of the cotton is going to touch that part, narrow point to narrow point, and you just touch the surface and let it roll over, roll until hold it nicely. So person remains steady and is not moving, and just keep rolling and take it out. See, this simple piece is I separated from the cotton buds. This amount of cottons will be remain inside air, stuck inside air, and it will be come out without harming person ear without damaging further for the victim ear, and it will be all right, and there will be no any major cause will happen. So this is the things, this is the idea that you can use for anybody. Just make sure person not get panic while you try to do in home. And if it is for example someone maybe tried to get it out and not able to and make further damage, so don't forget to consult with the specialist or the ENT doctor to do the rest and make treatment for the ear, because the people without knowing the things makes more problem. So this is the things I'm sharing, because I have done this very perfectly. This is the simple thing that's gonna solve big problem. So thumbs up. And I believe once you're able to pull it out, you or your family member will get great relief from this pain or irritation. So at the time, if you feel my tips was helpful, and please don't thank me. Instead, I would like to request you to pray for me or make dua for me and my family.